Hey, beard viewers out there and non-bearded viewers, we welcome everybody. And I mean we because I want to introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I am an online beard content creator, and I have linked up to create the We with Dead Man's Beard Co. And you're going to see on this channel, these videos, we have partnered to bring you guys some information paired with a great company and quality products to those of you that are searching for the info you need. If you guys appreciate this from Dead Man's, putting it out to the beard community, to the greater YouTube and Google world, just interact with the video. A thumbs up, a share, a comment, subscribe. All of that really helps a new and growing channel that's just simply trying to help people, and they're very proud of their products. Today's topic is a big one, and it is going over the expectations of beard growth. Now, we're going to establish a baseline and then give a couple of details of things that might help, maybe some things that might hurt. And if at any time you guys have thoughts or questions, like I said, interact, drop a comment. I know Dead Man's appreciates that. So let's establish the baseline right away. On average, someone that can grow facial hair is going to grow a 1/2 inch of beard a month. Now, we're not going to get in too much of the weeds where like the cheeks are a little bit shorter, the bottom of the neck is a little bit shorter. But if you're growing a beard longer, on average, you're going to grow a 1/2 inch a month. Now, let's get a little bit mathematician on here. If we're looking at 6 months from now, we're going to have, 3 inches of growth. Okay, got it. A year, we're going to have about 6 inches of growth. Okay? After 2 years, we're going to have a foot, 12 inches of growth, and then it continues on until you hit your terminal length. That's for a different day. 1/2 inch of growth a month. Now, I think that's important because when people first start out, they want to know what they can do. They want to look ahead and say, hey, what can I expect in a year from now? Or if you're someone that already has a beard and you're going through beard envy and you're like, I want that. How long is it going to take? How long did that guy grow for? That's your baseline, and it's pretty accurate and pretty consistent. Now, there are things that can help, and there are things that can hurt, and there's non-factors. I want to show you one non-factor. So Dead Man's has a great product that is called their Follicle Fuel. This is not intended to make your beard grow faster at all. But Dan, it says fuel. This is intended to wake up dormant hair follicles. If you have a great beard and you got a patch right here that doesn't make sense, this is meant for that. Maybe there are hairs underneath the surface that aren't growing for other reasons we'll get into in the future, but this is not meant to make your beard grow faster, and it's not advertised towards that. It's not something that's marketed towards that. Now, there are things you can do, and Dead Man's has their beard growth strips. These are oral biotin strips. Biotin is well known for generations now to increase the rate of hair growth. Now, I do say hair growth. It's not just beard specifically. It's not like you can go in and be like, facial hair. It's going to make all hair, and generally speaking, nails grow faster as well. So where I first noticed the growth of biotin is when I have to clip my nails more often. That white starts to show because it's a pretty easy indicator. And then you're also going to notice it on your back hair. You're also going to notice it in other areas where you grow hair faster. Your head hair, if you still have it. Shout out to those bald and bearded. More frequent haircuts, your neck hair getting a little bit longer quicker. That can increase your growth rate. Now, this next statement is not a flex. This is just real reality. I've documented it before. I've shown it with pictures and progression. I am at or even above 1 inch of hair growth a month. Insane, I know, unbelievably. I do take these. These are my form of biotin right now. I do drink enough water every day. I do focus on lowering my stress. I do have a really good routine with my beard. I do try my best with things like food and my drinks as being healthy as possible. Now, I'm a dude. I'm a family guy. I still have a little bit of ice cream. I'll have a Mountain Dew a day if I'm being crazy. But I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't drink alcohol. There's a lot of factors that really help me when I'm focusing on my hair growth. So it is possible, but average expectation is 1/2 inch a month. Now, of course, wash your beard every day. Use beard oil every day. Do these things at the skin where the growth is happening. Exfoliate with a comb every day. Essentially rake the skin to promote blood flow, which is going to help that growth. Dive into this channel specifically. There's already great videos and there will be more to come. If you have any questions, put them down below. In the meantime, go check out deadmansbeardco.com. Your beard really will appreciate it, and who knows, maybe it will reward you with some happiness and some increased growth. Thank you guys for watching. Have a fantastic day.